This is one of the beautiful plants of Bangalore region. It's a I've seen it around surrounding areas of Bangalore in somewhat neglected places, and it's an important herb. That is, it's used for I think to control sugar and many things. Orthosiphon rubra. This is the red one. And it's one of the very showy plant with this beautiful this viscous. This part, it looks quite a bit like tulsi from a distance, but there is no aroma, and then these viscous are very long, easy to grow also, and its leaves are available as a kind of a herbal tea in online also. Orthosiphon rubra, you can look it up.